I think this may be the most toxic material known to mankind. I'm sitting here processing some of these Dorset Naga peppers. Scoville scale somewhere around 1.3 million, maybe. And yeah, I heard Jason talking about processing seeds before, and I've never processed seeds this hot. Yep, it is starting, and I'm trying to pour these into a bowl. Okay. My lips are starting to just here. My lips are, and I'm wearing gloves. I've been crushing up these seeds, trying to get them all separated out so that I can send these out to some friends. I'm sending some of these out to some friends. I'm putting the rest in storage for future use, but that's a lot of Dorset Nagas. Ooh, okay. My nose is running. This is toxic stuff. Oh, okay. Ooh, wow. I have not touched my lips. My lips are burning. It feels like, okay, now I've licked my lips. That's great. Okay, so yes, I need to put some seeds in these bags. That'll be for Chad right there. That should be enough to kill him. I mean, for him to grow. You know, my germination isn't the greatest. I'll give him another pinch just to make sure. Woo-wee! Hoo boy! I still have to open that up to put a label in there. Okay. This has got to end sometime soon. Oh, here we go. Another bag. This is really weird. You know, I don't think I'm raising any dust, but obviously I am. I forget whose this is. Someone else is getting that collection. Oh, D over at Rutilation. That's Chad over at Down Home Backyard Gardening. Yeah. Woo, doggy. That is some serious stuff right there. And then for me, I'm going to save these. I've got more seeds I need to save too, because I do like saving seeds, because the seeds that grow the best in your garden are the ones that have already proven to be happy. In other words, these seeds have grown in my garden. They're adapted. They're used to it. They're going to do the best growing in my garden. Okay. Oh no. This is not good. I need something to catch anything that falls out. And hopefully they don't fall against my fingers. Oh, I got most of it. Okay. Oh, okay. I think I can get the rest of this. I think only 3 fell. Fortunately, we don't have a dog to lick the floor, so we won't have a yelping dog running around here. Let me try this again. I have not touched any of it with my ungloved hand yet. And I'm going to take off the glove and touch my tongue with the hand that is inside this glove, because every time I do this with gloves, it still burns. Proper way to take these off, get your finger up underneath there, and take it off. Okay, that's, woo! Okay, here we go. Yeah, there's a little heat on that. Just a little. Oh my goodness. Nuclear, man. Nuclear. Be sure to subscribe for a lot more super hot pepper challenges. We got more coming up this year. Me and Jason over at Allotment of the Dead are going to be eating an MA warthog. At least we're planning. He just planted his seeds. I'm about to go plant my seeds. I'm excited for that. No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm not excited. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.